How to make money from Instagramming your revision notes, online money making. Revision doesn't just have to be long days in the library, you can now use your notes as a way to gain more social media followers and cash. You might be used to snapping photos of your food in restaurants. But have you considered that it may actually be your revision notes that are your ticket to Instagram fame? Studygrams, that is. Instagram accounts dedicated to studying, are increasingly popular nowadays. And one law student has gained tens of thousands just by posting pictures of her revision notes. Her pictures of highlighters, gel pens, note cards, and revision snacks rack up thousands of likes every day. And her huge social media following has allowed her to earn some extra cash. If you're an avid highlighter collector or a sucker for a colorful mind map, then this could be right up your street. That said, while super neat handwriting and some calligraphy skills might be handy, creating a successful studygram also relies heavily on finding your own style and posting consistently. Whether you go for typed up notes or scrap paper is up to you, it's all about building your unique style and growing your followers. Don't forget that, depending on what style you go for, you may also need to invest in some colorful stationery and pens to make your account really pop. And one skill you can't do without is the eye for what makes a good Instagram photo: crisp, clean lines. An eye-catching color scheme and a strong caption are all important. You'll also need to know how to build a following and start doing sponsored content. Everything you need to know about this is over on our guide to making money from social media. Han, the student behind Legally Studies, set up the account to combine her love of photography with something that she was going to be doing a lot at university: studying. Along with posting bright and colorful desk snaps on a daily basis, she works hard to engage her followers and build an audience. She asks questions, responds to comments, and links to similar accounts. Her account is also full of top revision tips, from the best brain foods to her pick of the top apps for students. It's fascinating to see how many people are influenced just from pictures of my study space and anecdotes in my captions. I'm not so great with networking in person, so I do feel more at ease engaging with people via Instagram. It's not all about Instagram, though. Legally Studies also has thousands of followers on YouTube where she vlogs about studying and exam season. Of course, having thousands of followers is more than just an ego boost, it can also be a great way to make money if you know how. Han has featured giveaways and sponsored content in her Legally Studies Instagram posts to turn her Studygram account into a money-making venture. Using her skills in organization and revision planning, Legally Studies has also made timetables, plans, and calendars which you can buy from her website. It takes some hard work and dedication, but Instagram can be a great, if not slightly unusual, way to make money at university, if you find yourself struggling to get out of bed and knuckle down to do some serious revision. The prospect of earning some money from it ought to do the trick. Emma Studies is a third-year communications student in Australia who has garnered an impressive following of around 400,000 followers with her colorful revision pics. You don't need to wait until university either, as A-level and GCSE students are getting in on the action too. As an A-level student, Emily Studies had around 124,000 followers with her super neat handwriting and sparkling revision notes. Now, as a medical student, she's almost doubled her follower count. So, no matter what stage of your education you're at, get selling your revision notes on the hashtag STUDYINSPO. You can also make pretty good money from selling your old books. Our guide talks you through the best places to sell them. Disclaimer: all content on this website is based on individual experience and journalistic research. It does not constitute financial advice. Save the Student and its authors are not liable for how tips are used, nor for content and services on external websites. Common sense should never be neglected. We sometimes use affiliated links which may result in a payment following a visitor taking action, such as a purchase or registration, on an external website. This helps keep Save the Student free. The user experience shouldn't be any different, and our editorial decision making is not affected by such links. Like most sites, we use cookies to optimize your experience and serve personalized content. By using our website, you agree to our use of cookies. More info. Text source: savethestudent.org.